It's December. You know what that means? Another kit. I'm so excited to share with you our December kit. It's amazing. Look, you get a BFF, our best-selling face wash, Moisturize 911, Tightens and Brightens, people. Mist and Shout, one of my favorites. Santa's Little Healer, 5 bath bombs, 6 bath bombs where you can soak and enjoy your life in the tub. I suggest locking the door. Our Snarky Bar, super scrubby. And BFF samples to share with all your friends. Stop! This isn't the kit this month. What do you mean this isn't the kit this month? I mean, this isn't the kit. The kit is doubled this month. Holy cow! Doubled! That's nuts! I know, right? And you know what the coolest part about it is? Is that you can sell each of the doubles and make $143. $143? But the kit only costs $99, right? That is such a crazy good deal. So you can sell each one of the doubles and you can keep each one for yourself. Win-win. Plus, you make a little extra holiday money. Cha-ching! I know I sure could use a little extra holiday money. And with Posh, we have instant commissions. I mean, I totally could use extra money. All the dogs are eating all the food, and they're eating the floors, and they're eating my Posh. Okay, well, I have to run, so I'll talk to you later. So there you have it, folks. You have double the kit where it's over $300 in value. You get 2 of everything, plus you get the ritual. I forgot, you can also get this. That's right, you can get an exclusive hand cream in beach blanket scent. This will make you wish that you're on the beach during those winters that we have coming up. Thank goodness for that. Hurry up, it's only the first 1,500 that get that beach blanket. I'll just take this one. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up on social media. My links are below. I hope to see you on my team. Have an amazing December and Merry Christmas. Oh, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.